Welcome back to the Tool Crib. Today we're going to be looking at a Dremel product, and this is the Dremel Versa Power Cleaner. Now, I wasn't actually looking for this when I found it. I was looking for some accessories for another Dremel product when this popped up on my Amazon feed, but once I saw it, figured out what it was, and with the name Dremel, I decided to go ahead and get it. Now, one of the biggest reasons, this is for my wife for the most part. This is for the house because I remember when we had our glass stovetop. Boy, she really had to struggle cleaning everything on that dang thing. Once a week or whatever her schedule was, and she just put a lot of elbow grease into it. And I just thought this would be a perfect gift for her. This is great for cleaning on all kinds of surfaces. So countertops, they have attachments for cleaning dishes. They got scrub brushes. They got all kinds of things. So the unit itself is waterproof. It takes about an hour to charge. It comes with the USB charger. I think in other models, I ended up getting I think this one's called the VC10. This comes with extra pads. It gives you 10 in total, plus the unit, plus the splash guard that goes on it, and the case. This one runs about $55. You can get these at Home Depot. You can get them online. This particular one ran about 93 with all the extras. So again, you get the Dremel, which is about 30 minutes to charge on the USB charger, or excuse me, about an hour to charge, and about a 35-minute runtime, more or less, with a single speed and a single push button to operate. To the attachments for this. So you got the hook and loop, which these will just screw on to the front, and also you got the splash guard. Let's do the splash guard first. So the splash guard has grooves in here, so you just spin it on, it locks in place. You can raise and lower it to the desired height. And then you have the hook and loop, and this particular one, again, it comes with a variety of different pads. So the blue pads are these are non-scratch pads. These are more heavy duty, the brown ones. And the foam pads are for doing stuff like glass. So if you're trying to clean up glass and stuff, you'll want to use something like those. And then it also has the nylon bristle brush for heavy duty cleaning, which you'd want to use a splash guard in with this. So this is a really nice little unit. You can bog this down if you do it for just a little bit. The machine will actually shut off. It'll shut the motor off on the machine. This is a great little cleaning tool, though, and I love the fact that this one came with the case. And I'll probably end up getting her some more accessories to go along with this unit as well. So let's go try it out. I'm going to show you just how well this thing will clean. I'm going to go use it on a picnic table that's really dirty, and we'll just see how well this thing cleans up. So I intentionally cleaned the worst side of that table just because it was the dirtiest. And while it didn't quite get everything clean, I could have gone over it with another pass or so to get it a little bit cleaner. It did a pretty good job in just a few minutes. Now, one of the things that I really like about this, because you can get cleaning accessories that go on drills and stuff. There's all kinds of cheap ones out there, and some of them by cheap are really cheap. But then you can get some pretty good ones that are both good and inexpensive. But the reason I like this one is because it's a palm holder, and you're really sitting right over the top of whatever you're cleaning on, so you can apply the right amount of pressure. It just seems like you got more control with this one for me. And what I love about this particular one, getting it with the case, it costs a little bit more money up front, but everything is nice and packed in there. You can get the regular one and then just get some aftermarket cases to go with it, but I really like the case that they send along with this one. So this is the Dremel Versa handheld compact cleaning tool. Really great little product. My name is Ben. You've been watching the Texas Tool Crib. I appreciate you watching. I'll see you in the next one.